Hey guys, it's CJ from Yugatech, and today we're gonna unbox this, the OnePlus Nord 3 5G. Let's get right into it. Opening the box, you get this box that has the safety guide, instruction manual, and the SIM ejection tool. There's also a little letter from OnePlus as well. After that is the phone itself. It's in this misty green colorway. There's also a Type-A to Type-C cable and an included 80-watt Super Walk charging brick. And that's all there is in the box. My first thoughts on the phone is that it looks great. According to OnePlus, the Nord 3 has a thickness of 8.15mm and weighs at 193.5 grams. Its thin body feels comfortable to hold, which makes it easy to use the phone with one hand. The design, build, and finish is very much like the previous Nord 2 series, so there's no mistaking that this one has the OnePlus Nord DNA. It also gives that Oppo Reno 8 vibes, if you ask us. For input-output ports, we have a USB Type-C cable charging port at the bottom, the SIM card tray, the primary mic, and one of the stereo speakers. On the left side, we have the volume controls, while on the right side, we have the power button and the alert slider. That's an iconic OnePlus design feature. At the top, we get the other stereo speakers, and to our surprise, an IR blaster. At the back, we get this glossy panel, which seems to be a fingerprint magnet, so do take note of that. You can see the two camera islands with what seems to be a dual-tone LED flash, and actually, the second one at the bottom is an ambient light sensor, which is similar to the one we found in the OnePlus Nord 2T. For its display, we have a 6.74-inch AMOLED with a very thin, almost bezel-less screen, with the 120Hz refresh rate and a 450 ppi pixel density. The OnePlus Nord 3 5G is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9000, which comes with a Mali G710 MC10 GPU and has 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. This is the only RAM and storage variant that will be released in the Philippines. You can also get an additional 12 gigs of RAM extension, effectively almost doubling the memory capacity by 28 gig. It's also running on Oxygen OS 13.1 based on Android 13. That hardware and main camera are already flagship level specs. In a way, we can practically say that the Nord 3 5G is the flagship model in the OnePlus Nord lineup. So far, initial performance results look good. Snappy and smooth, and great with our usual games. More on that in our full review along with benchmark scores and gameplay experience. For the camera, there's a 50-megapixel IMX890 OIS main, which is among the most widely used sensors in the flagship phones along with the IMX989. There's also an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Maximum video recording is pegged at 4K at 60 FPS. For selfies, the Nord 3 uses a 16-megapixel front camera. Here are some of our sample shots that we took with the Nord 3. Other connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6, GPS, and built-in NFC. The device comes with a 5000 mAh battery that's capable of 80 watts of Super Walk fast charging. We'll test how long the battery life is in our full review. As of the making of this video, we don't know the official price of the OnePlus Nord 3 5G just yet, but we'll have an announcement on that in yugatech.com, so stay tuned for that. And that's a wrap for our first look and hands-on on the OnePlus Nord 3 5G. So what do you think of the new Nord 3? Hit us up in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our latest videos. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this is CJ, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!